Hey, good morning, guys. We're in Moab, Utah, and I'm gonna give you a bit of a review, an infield long-term review on our D-rings that we installed in our bed. So let me show you those. Now, if you guys haven't checked out our video where we do the full install on this, we'll put a link up in the corner. So a bit about these D-rings. We installed them about a week ago prior to this trip, and I've been using them for right here for this toolbox that we have. Okay, and you can see that what I did is I actually installed two straps, one across the bottom and over the top, and vice versa on the other side. It is holding extremely well. In fact, it is holding so well, the case is actually buckling at the strength of because of the strength of the straps is holding it down so tight. So I think I need to get another case. Let me show you that. Right here, and right here. But this thing has not moved anywhere, and it is holding a 2-ton jack and about 80 pounds worth of tools. I think overall, I'm about 120 pounds in this box, and it made it through the roughest bumps in Moab. Maybe we'll show you some of those. Now, another thing that's really great about these tie downs, they go directly down into the bed, into the frame, not just holding on the bed alone. Let me show you why just the bed alone and some of these other tie downs from the factory are not any great. I actually installed, really close to these tie downs here, I installed a tie down system for an old high lift jack, and it ripped out of my bed. Look at this. You can see the holes from where it tore through the side of my bed. Your bed is not very strong, and so these tie down points with the D-rings all the way to the frame, great option. Really happy with it so far. Another thing that I learned with the tie down was tying up your straps. I watched a YouTube video on how to tie up your straps in a way that was really simple to get at. I'll go ahead and post a video of that in the future, or in the comments. I'll post a video of that in the comments. So give us a thumbs up if you like this, and if you don't, make sure and leave us a note in the comments about what you'd rather see. Hey guys, we're gonna keep this video content rolling, but why wait for the next video? Check out the link here for another video that you can watch to get inspiration on your next upgrade.